What's going on, YouTube? It's DJ. Welcome back. So let's see what's going on in the world of crypto. You see the market's looking mixed today. We have WIF up 4%, Uniswap up 12%, Arrow down 2%, and BNB down 1%. On CoinMarketCap, the Fear and Greed Index is at a 37 right now. Bitcoin down 1%. It's at 59,684. Ethereum at 2,364. U.S. inflation soars higher than expected in September, so not as good as we thought. Says the CPI surged 2.4% over the past 12 months, ending in September. Economists expected the annual consumer price increase to be around 2.3%. The index rose 0.2% over the past month, slightly higher than the projected 0.1%. Gary Gensler of the SEC on crypto, it must prove its value. He says it's unlikely this stuff is going to become a currency. It's going to have to show its value through disclosure, through use, the same way you pick amongst thousands of securities that are listed on the stock exchange. You see, with crypto, there's thousands of them, and they're trying to compete over which one is the best and which has the most use case. The US fell behind in crypto. It can't afford to fall behind in AI. See, it's not too late for them to, make some moves on crypto. It's just that there's so many countries out there that are ahead of them and have adopted crypto already. It says, as of now, the United States is still the home to a majority of major AI companies and research organizations. The risk sits in the likely possibility that the U.S.'s current and proposed regulatory frameworks cap the growth of the AI industry. So the U.S. doesn't really make any laws that evolve and keep the companies here, because the innovation could start here, but does it finish here? UETA, SEC's crypto approach, a disaster for the whole industry. Now, in a Fox Business Morning with Maria interview, SEC Commissioner Mark UETA sharply criticized the agency's handling of crypto, acknowledging that its current strategy has been a disaster for the whole industry. And that's exactly what it is. 47% of traditional hedge funds maintain crypto exposure. Now, a lot more adoption. Obviously, that's almost half. It says a survey conducted by the Alternative Investment Management Association and PwC revealed that 47% of hedge fund managers trading in traditional markets have exposure to crypto, according to a Bloomberg report. Just a year ago in 2023, crypto exposure was about 29%, so we're about 20% higher. Retail investors increasingly buying crypto despite volatility. So it says primary motivations for investing in crypto is fear of missing out, speculation, low cost of entry, and advice from friends and social media. Now, FOMO, fear of missing out, is when people tell you, oh, well, if you don't buy Bitcoin today, you'll never be able to buy it. So people just try to buy it right then and there. Low cost of entry. So people might see a video where it's like, okay, if you buy $500 worth of this meme coin, you'll become a millionaire. So people see things like that. And it's very lucrative. Stripe reinstates crypto payments for U.S. businesses via USDC on Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon. Stripe has re-enabled crypto payments for businesses, allowing them to accept USDC on Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon. It marks the first time in 6 years that Stripe's U.S. business customers can accept crypto payments since 2018. I remember as if it were yesterday. Cryptocurrency is now part of South Korean divorce settlements. It's another reason not to get married. So, this provision encompasses any property acquired during the marriage, including both tangible and intangible assets. So what you must do is you must either keep the assets and split them between the two parties, or sell them on the market and split the money, which would be terrible. And I would be pretty peed off. BRICS news, 12 countries drop the US dollar, conduct majority of trade in local currencies while eyeing crypto. So here's a few of the countries. It says the CIS countries include Armenia, Belarus, Kazakhstan, Georgia, Moldova, Russia, Ukraine, and Uzbekistan, a few others. And I don't know why Ukraine is in the mix, because the United States, we're sending them billions and billions of dollars. Why would they want to dump on us? I mean, that just seems like a slap in the face, doesn't it? How are stablecoins mitigating economic instability in Latin America, specifically Brazil? See, in these countries where they're dealing with a lot of inflation, a stablecoin might seem attractive because they could put their money there and the value is stable. It's not going to be going crazy to like hyperinflation. In fact, stablecoins now account for approximately 70% of the share of indirect flows from Brazil's local exchanges to global exchanges. And Argentina has surpassed Brazil in crypto inflows with $91 billion between July 2023 and June of 2024. Argentina's stablecoin market is booming with transaction activity 17% above the global average, driven by inflation. So people will always look for a place to park their money in times of economic uncertainty. And we know that some of the best places are going to be real estate, gold, land, Bitcoin, food, things of that nature. So it's just cool to see that we have a new asset class like the blockchain, and we see where people want to park their money. However, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video. I'll catch you all in the next one.